so let's start with the primer. It is the primer from Bae. So next up is this foundation. It is from Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation. I am in the shade 220 Natural Beige. And by the way, all the products are used in this video are from my previous video, makeup kit for beginners under 1500 rupees. So if you haven't checked that video out, I will give you the link in my description box, so check it out. Next is this concealer from Bae. And its shade is Milk Chocolate Pretzel, shade number 2. Moving to the next product, it is contour again from Bae. It is their Runway range and shade number is 14 Chestnut. This Maybelline Fit Me Compact. Again I am in the shade 220 Natural Beige. For the blush, I use this lipstick as my blush. It is from Elle 18, their Color Pop Matte in the shade Pink Kiss. For the highlighter, I use this highlighter from Quirky. It is the I Like It Hot and Shiny highlighter and illuminator, and the shade number is 2, Make Me Hotter. The only drawback I had with this highlighter that it dries up very quickly, so you have to act very fast. For the eyeshadow, I use this Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette in the shade number 5. After blending that muted brown color, I took this black charcoal color and placed it at outer corner of my eyes, and then again blend. Then I took this silver shimmer color and placed it at my inner corners of the eye and repeated the same process for the other eye. For Kajal, I am using this Blue Heaven Soft Kajal in the color green. For mascara, again I am using this from Blue Heaven. It is their Walk Free Waterproof Curling Mascara. Product, which is lipstick. It is again from Elle 18 and its shade is Nude Fix. hope you guys like this tutorial, though I am not a pro, just started learning the makeup. So if you like this video and this makeup, so please give it a thumbs up and please like, share and subscribe. Bye.